What are you doing?
Anchor.
Oh, are you cooking?
Huh?
Yeah. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to put your glove on? Yeah. Good job. Smile for the camera. Cheese. What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Okay.
Andrew? How old are you, Andrew? Andrew. Yeah, those are bananas. How old are you?
8.
How old are you?
8.
No, we're not going to eat those. How old are you? How old are you? Andrew, tell Mommy how old you are.
Thank you.
You're 2? Let me see your fingers. How many fingers is that? Mom, I'm busy.